Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Learn English with Hanan. In today's video we are going to learn how to talk about daily routines in English. You will see different images and for each one I will show you the correct sentence to use. This will help you to understand, remember and use daily routine sentences easily. So, let's get started. I wake up. I wake up. I get up. I get up. I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I take a shower. I take a shower. I get dressed. I get dressed. I have breakfast. I have breakfast. I go to school. I go to school. I go to work. I go to work. I study. I study. I work. I work. I go home. I go home. I put on my night clothes. I put on my night clothes. I have lunch. I have lunch. I do the dishes. I do the dishes. I clean my house. I clean my house. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. I take a rest. I take a rest. I watch TV. I watch TV. I have dinner. I have dinner. I read. I read. I go to bed. I go to bed. So, this was our lesson about daily routines in English. You've seen common actions with the correct sentences to describe them. Now it's your turn to try these sentences to describe your daily routine. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye!